welcome back to Making Frugal Fun. I'm Shannon and I share our family's journey to pay off over $500,000 of debt and all the frugal things we do to get there faster. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Summer break is here and the kids are gonna be home. We're gonna be making a lot of food, eating a lot more food, and we all know the grocery bills are super high anyway right now. So today I'm sharing some easy DIY kids snack recipes, some homemade alternatives to some things you usually buy at the store. Does this mean I never buy prepackaged snacks for my kids? Absolutely not. In fact, I totally love to grab the convenience buys, but they are more expensive. So what I'm hoping is to give you just a few alternatives, pick maybe one or two to work into your meal plan and see if it saves you a little bit of money on kids snacks this summer. And also these are great for going back to school in the fall. These ideas are also really good if you have a lot of food in your fridge and your pantry and your grocery budget is super tight that week. And you can look at these little recipes and say, hey, I have flour, I have sugar, I have some chocolate chips or whatever, and make your own kids snacks instead of running to the store and buying them. Don't forget, I also have a kid-friendly breakfast and lunch planner that has 30 days of breakfast and lunch ideas totally planned out for you with a grocery list. You can grab that below in the description box. I'll link it there. So I hope you'll enjoy these really fun frugal snack ideas that you can make at home. These energy bites are so easy and you can change them up in many different ways. Think bite-sized granola bars. So I'm using freeze-dried strawberries in these to make PB&J energy bites, but you can also use M&Ms, chocolate chips, and basically make them customized to your kids' favorites. It only takes a few ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry, and I'll link the full recipe to these and some M&M energy bites down below in the description. These 3-ingredient peanut butter Cheerio bars are so easy to make and so delicious. It's a great replacement for expensive prepackaged granola bars that you can make ahead and eat all week long. You simply melt the peanut butter and syrup together, and you can also use honey, but syrup's usually a little bit cheaper, and mix in the Cheerios, and then you let them cool for about an hour in the fridge and cut them up. And I have an amazing hack for you, and that is to use chocolate Cheerios instead of regular Cheerios. And these were way better in my opinion. I pretty much ate all of these by myself. Now we're moving on to Pancake Bites, and these have been viral all over my TikTok account, and it's basically a replacement for Entenmann's Little Bites. They don't taste exactly the same, but they're very close and they're way cheaper. I don't know about you guys, but Entenmann's Little Bites run us quite a pretty penny over here, even when they're on sale, and they gobble through them so quick. So I have a pancake recipe that will make 48 of these little bites, and then obviously here I'm adding chocolate chips, but I'm going to show you right now that you can add tons of different things to make all different flavors. So this is me trying them with blueberries. They came out pretty good. They weren't as sweet though, obviously, as the chocolate chips. So these are probably a little bit healthier, but you might want to add a little bit more sugar for the chocolate chip ones or for the blueberry ones. For this batch, I just made some plain pancake bites. So I baked them and then I mixed up some cinnamon and sugar to make snickerdoodle or cinnamon sugar pancake bites. So basically I just melted some butter and I'm just painting butter on top of these. And then I sprinkled them with the cinnamon sugar mix. And again, just another alternative to buying mini muffins and also another flavor of pancake bites to kind of spice up your breakfast or snack routine with your kids. This next one is probably a fan favorite. So I added a 1/4 cup sugar to the pancake recipe that I'm gonna list for you guys below. And that sweetened them up a little bit because I didn't think the sprinkles would give enough flavor. But this is a copycat for the Entenmann's Little Bites party cakes, which are very popular in our house. And the kids loved them so much. And then the last thing I'm making here are stuffed Nutella pancake bites. Oh my gosh, these turned out so good. It's a little messy. I think I need like a piping bag to get the Nutella in there, but oh, these are so good, and I'll link a recipe for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspired you to save some money by DIYing some of your favorite kids' snacks. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Down, it's tearing me apart. I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again.